Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And if you're a gold lover, you must be knowing it very well that for the last 3-4 days, there is not much movement in the market. Number of trading opportunities are very less because of less volatility. Now let's look at the market sentiment. You can see gold edges higher on positive outlook. Gold prices are slightly higher in early Asian trade amid a positive outlook on the global rate cutting cycle. Four Fed officials said they don't see an urgent case to cut rates. Dollar oscillates on less dovish Fed comments. So this is the market sentiment right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, we can see that after making a high of 104.60 after the breakout, DXY has come for retracement. And right now, DXY is standing at support right now. So we can expect that DXY will try to bounce back again. If DXY bounces back, then there will be pressure on gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, and others. But in case DXY enters the zone again, then my god, okay, things will be very boring again, because again we will get to see a silent sideways market. So let's hope for the best. Let's wait and watch how the market will be performing after the yes, we have a news coming up. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts, market performs after the news, and hopefully the breakout will sustain. And if it fails, market enters inside the range, then we know it very well that DXY will be sideways again, and almost all the USD pairs we will get to see a sideways market. So let's look at the chart of gold right now. But before we proceed, I would like to say that today also we have a live session on Instagram, the weekly Q&A session, okay, that I have recently started. So if you want to attend, you can follow me on Instagram. I will be announcing the time very soon on the channel, maybe around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Indian time. If you have any doubts, if you want to ask me questions, then you can join the live session and ask me there. This is the profile. You can see the trader next door, and you can see these are the number of followers, okay, because the scammers have more followers than the real profile. So please be careful. The link is in the description. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So as we all know that there is not much volatility in the market, so number of trading opportunities or reliable trading opportunities are very less, because if you look at the 4-hour chart of gold, you can clearly see that we have a sideways market. What do we see? We have a sideways market on gold. And what is the range? The range is 2065 and 2000 level. So this is the range of gold right now on higher time frame. And higher time frame means the trading opportunities are more reliable. But the problem is that market is stuck in the middle. If you're planning that I will be taking a sell at 2065 and I'll be going for a big trade, then yes, it is a good trading opportunity, but it may take a couple of days. Similarly, if you're thinking that I'll be taking a buy at 2000 level and make some money, yes, that is also a good trading opportunity. But when market will come to 2000 level, nobody knows. That is the main problem with higher time frames. Otherwise, the trading opportunities from higher time frames are always much more reliable in comparison to the lower time frames. And as this is a sideways market, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. Okay, but as we all know it very well, the market is slow right now. So as a result, we need to switch to a lower time frame. So if we switch to lower time frame like 1 hour chart, we can see that here also we can see that there is a total confusion. Okay, why total confusion? Try to understand the point here. First of all, market was an uptrend. Market was bullish because the structure of the market was higher highs and higher lows. After NFP, there was a big fall on gold and the structure of the market changed. Market started forming lower lows and lower highs. And again, we can see that there is a structural change on our market, because market is again forming higher highs and higher lows. So things are pretty messed up right now. So if you are a day trader, then I will recommend that you should be trading from level to level only. because you can see the structure of the market is changing twice a week. So obviously, if you are a swing trader, then this is not the ideal market condition. You should be looking at the 4 hours chart only. And as a swing trader or position trader, you should be looking for buy at 2000 level, around 2000 level, or sell around 2065, 2070. Okay, if you're a swing trader or position trader. But if you're a day trader, then try to stick to the levels. Okay, and now let's discuss the levels. Okay, to discuss the levels to understand the market better, I'm switching to 50 minutes time frame. Not a preferred time frame, but yes, here the chart is little bit cleaner. So again, I'm repeating. So the best trading opportunities are 2065 and 2000 level because they are from the higher time frame. But market is stuck in the middle, so we are forced to trade with the low reliable trade setups. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about 2044. Yesterday market made this high. Yesterday market made this high. And what is the structure of the market right now? As we saw, the structure of the market has changed to higher highs again. So if market breaks 2045, my dear friends, if market breaks 2045, you can expect that market will be going up again, and you can expect a buy trade for 40 pips. How much you can expect a buy trade of 40 pips? Because the next immediate resistance is around 2050. And it is always better to place your take profit target just below the resistance. So here, if you take a buy above 2045, if you see the market is very bullish, market is gaining momentum, in that case, go for a buy 2045, try to exit at 2049 because 2050 is the next immediate resistance. This is the first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity will be the resistance at 2050. Okay, 2050 to 2052. 2050, 2052. If you must be wondering, then let me tell you that 2050, 2052, because it's a round number, it's a psychological resistance, and moreover, we also have the FIBO. Okay, we also have the FIBO around this area. So we can consider that 2050, 2052 is also a good presence, has presence of sellers, and moreover, the previous support will also be acting as resistance. So if we combine all the factors, means FIBO 78.6% retracement level, along with that previous support becoming resistance and a psychological level. So if you combine everything, so as a day trader, we can look for some sell opportunities around this area as well. Okay, so buy above 2045 and sell around 2050, 2052. If market reverses, keep in mind whatever we are discussing, they are not the strongest level. Market is stuck in the middle, so they are not very reliable. So get the confirmation first. Once you'll see the market has entered the zone, switch to 15 minutes time frame to see the market behavior. If you see the market is very bullish, then only go for a buy above 2045. If you see the market is struggling, market is reversing from 2050, then only go for a sell. No level is permanent in a market. Our capital is limited, so do not gamble. Okay, we are traders, not gamblers. And right now you can see the gold is standing at 2036. This is the current market price. So we also have a support zone around 2032. Okay, we have a support zone around 2032 to 2028. Not very strong level, but yes, we can see the previous resistance is becoming support, simply price action. Okay, and we also have some previous support around this area. So if you combine both the factors, this level should also provide support to the market in Asian and European session only. Okay, remind my word, Asian and European session only, because in the US session, because of high volume, this weak level may not work as support. Okay, volume plays an important role. So if you see the market is taking support during the European session, you can look for a buy around this area. Okay, then we have another minor support around 2023, the blue line here. Similarly, okay, if you see the market is taking support around in the Asian session, European session, you can also go for a buy around 2023 level. But if market breaks 2023 by the US session, okay, if market breaks 2023 by the US session, you can also look for a sell. Just see how important volume is. If volume is less, market will not be able to break the level and market may bounce and we can go for a buy. But in case of heavy volume, heavy selling pressure, market will break it. Okay, and we can look for a sell below 2023, and the best support is around 2015. 2015, this is the best support here. Okay, so you must be confused right now that so many opportunities. Okay, so let me repeat one by one. So overall on higher time frame we have a sideways market. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, you should look for a buy at support which is around 2002 level, and sell at resistance which is around 2065 level. Okay, and if you're a day trader, you should be looking for trading opportunities on lower time frame, like the these are the levels. Okay, let's explain one by one. First of all, okay, if you see market going up from here, okay, observe the market around 2044. Okay, observe the market around 2044. The structure of the market is bullish right now. Okay, so if market breaks 2045, okay, if market breaks 2045 level, you can look for a buy position, and you can target for 40 pips. The next resistance is around 2050, and 2050 is a psychological level, so we can look for a sell around 2050, 2052. But in case market reverses from 2045 level, 44 level, if you want, then you can look for a sell as well, because the structure of the market has been changing a lot recently. On the other hand, if you see market going down, then especially during the European session and Asian session, we have two supports that should work. The first one is 2028 to 2032 and 2023. These are the two support levels that you can expect to work during the European and Asian session because of less volume. But if you see the market is going down heavily, market has extreme selling pressure, then you can also look for a sell below 2023 as well. The best support right now is 2000, but 2000 is far away from the current market price, so let's keep our eyes around 2015. This should also work as support for the market right now. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. You can see that we do not have any particular trend present, so as a result we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides. Why both the sides? Because in sideways market the number of buyers and sellers are equal, so that's why we have the liberty to look for trading opportunities on both the sides. Probably you must be knowing that trend is our friend, following the trend is the best decision. Okay, but here we do not have any such trend present, so that's why we are searching for opportunities. Anyways, these trading opportunities have been derived from the lower time frame and they are not very reliable, so be careful and follow proper risk management. Okay, and if you're interested, then you can catch up on the Instagram live. See you soon. Bye bye, take care.